Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute your microphone on your PlayStation 5 controller or in the settings. So if you go to your PS5 controller, every controller has this little button right here. And this will mute the microphone if we press this button. So if I press this, it will become red or orange. And in the upper right side of the screen, it's going to say it's muted. So if we unmute it, we can see the microphone is active. So that is the easiest way to simply mute or unmute your microphone. Now something else is, if you hold this button down, this is going to mute all audio on your microphone, and it's also going to mute the TV sound or the headset sound, so the game sound. So to do this now, in the settings, we have to press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu here, then go on over to sound, and we can turn off the muting here. But we can go to the different settings on here. We can adjust the slider for the voice chat if we want to make the party chat a little bit louder or the game chat, but we can mute the microphone under here too. So we can go to mute right here, and this mutes the microphone. You can see there's a cross through the mic. Then we can change the microphone if we want it through our wireless controller or our headset, and we can adjust the microphone level under here as well. So it's very easy to do. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.